Hey guys, Matt Eppers, Grand Design Transcend Product Manager. Excited today to introduce you to the brand new Transcend 325 BHT. Now this floor plan is a special one. It's a double slide floor plan. It's a bunkhouse, but right off the bat, you'll notice something different on the exteriors. We got two exterior doors. Your front one up here right into your main, into your living space, but one of the things that makes the 325 BHT special is the bathroom entry here on the exterior. And you notice they're both black glass doors for you. But now we got that big bunkhouse, we got the kids were out camping. Instead of them tracking the mud through the living room, we got direct access right into that spacious bathroom. And we'll take a look at that here a little bit more inside and the spaciousness of it, what makes that special. But the other thing I really like about this floor plan is you notice the awning covers both doors. So if we are camping and we get some of that inclement weather, you're covered on both interior and exterior doors there, or rather your main and your bathroom entry, which is rare to find in travel trailers. We're excited to bring that to you here in Transcend. Another thing that'll make this floor plan special is the standard camp kitchen here on the 325 BHT. Of course, you get your griddle and your little 1.7 cube refrigerator. Nice complement here for the outside with your freshwater spray port right next to it. But let's pop inside because this is a cool, very unique floor plan, and we do some awesome things that I'm excited to show you in this brand new Transcend 325 BHT. All right, so here in this brand new 325 BHT Transcend, first thing you'll notice when you walk into the main living room area is the space that we have between our breakfast hutch and our kitchen countertop. Really offers a really nice wide way. I noticed in a lot of floor plans, this is a tight area, but not here at Transcend. We worked really hard. This floor plan overall has a 33-foot box from ball to bumper. We're 37 foot 3 inches with the dry weight just over 8,000 pounds. A nice half-ton towable coach. We worked really hard to open up this space. That way, it's not tight, it's the entry into the floor plan, and we can get the whole family in and have a good time. But before we focus on the kitchen, let's actually look at this private bedroom here. In this 325, you notice the accent door up front, which is a Transcend staple. And then coming in, you do have the full queen bed. It's a true 60 by 80. And again, the space, not just in the living room, but from your door to the edge of your bed. It's a full walk around. I can sit in here, I can change. I'm not butting up against anything. We gave you the space that you need. But the kitchen and really the bathroom are what make this floor plan special. Let's go check them out. So back in the living room of this new floor plan, and this is a floor plan shape that you may have seen in the industry, you may see in some competitors. What makes this floor plan special that I haven't seen before is a direct view entertainment. Right across from your theater seats, you got your TV, which is nice. A lot of competitors will put the TV here and it eats up your storage. So we've done two things by accomplishing this. Now you have direct view entertainment right across from your theater seat or your dinette. The other part is we actually added in additional storage for you. So you'll notice that you have shelf storage up top, a ton of storage underneath. Of course, we got our dog bowls because we are pet friendly here at Transcend for you. But that lines up right next to the super slide. So you got your two recliners. This can be optioned into a theater, or a trifold sofa in place of theaters if we need that extra sleeping. But we do have the big U-shaped dinette here. We can fit the whole family. And then of course that breaks down into a bed as well. So we got a lot of versatility, a lot of space, a lot of seating space for your family, but then also making it functional, making sure that if it is that rainy day and we're inside watching TV or movie night, we got that direct view entertainment. Now, as we get into the kitchen, some of the highlights that we'll see here in the kitchen, great countertop space with the L. Again, we already covered the storage there. Underneath, the amount of storage that you have is huge too. Of course, we got the Transcend staple here and the pull-out trash can storage. You'll notice as well, we got the oversized pots and pans storage drawers for you. And then of course our paper towel holder, and a nice little ad that you'll see here coming soon is soap dispenser on all of our Transcends. So keep an eye out for that as we get into more and more floor plans. But continuing to move back through the unit, of course we got our big French door glass refrigerator, but we're not done with the kitchen storage quite yet. This is something special that we haven't added to a floor plan yet. And I'm kind of calling it our coffee bar over here in the corner, right across from the bathroom, but a functional space for us as we get closer that, hey, great countertop space with an outlet. I can plug in a coffee maker, a toaster, whatever that may be, that cleans up our kitchen countertop. And then you got overhead storage, underneath cabinet storage with shelves. So we make it functional all the way through. Really nice feature to have back here that kind of also closes off the kitchen from the bunk room. And we'll get in there and check that out here in a minute. So follow me. Alrighty, so here in the bunk room of the 325 BHT, and you'll notice a lot of space here, even more storage underneath. And that's one of the things that frustrates me about a lot of competitors is they'll give you a lot of sleeping, a lot of seating, but not enough storage for you to pack the items away for the kids that are sleeping in the bunkhouse. So here you notice a double bunk on bottom, single on top, very well lit, and they're actually on a switch here for us, which is nice. We'll get into some of the accent lighting we're doing here at the end of the video. But as we come in here, you'll notice the Easy Glide sofa. So again, we got the theaters up front. You do have another sofa bed here with the flip down bunk up top. So sleeping capacity, we've got you covered in the 325 BHT. Nice auto locking feature there for you. And then again, back down to the storage is deep drawers all the way through on this. That way we got enough storage for everybody in here, but also some of those extra camping items like blankets, whatever that may be. So great living room, great bunk room. Let's take you into the bathroom and show you one of the things that makes this floor plan really special. So as you guys can tell, we really prioritize space in this 325, and that doesn't change in the bathroom. It's nice we're able to move around. Even though you have that bathroom entry from the outside, I found in a lot of floor plan shapes like this bathroom becomes very tight. We worked really hard to keep it open. We offer you storage here, which are great for towels, for some of your toiletries in the bathroom. Shower, very good size. Got the shower shade on it as well. And as we bring our attention over to the sink, great to come over. I can brush my teeth. I can actually wash my hands. We have that sink in the bathroom for you. Good up top cabinet storage, and then the toilet angled in a position so that our legs and our kind of shoulders, I guess if you will, are not up against the walls. We find a lot of NRVs, so we really prioritize space, not just in the bedroom, not just in the living room, but also in the bathroom, and a floor plan that other shapes that competitors have is very tight. But before we close out, let's head back to the kitchen. I want to show you guys a cool feature that's coming to Transcend. It'll be a little Easter egg for some future models. Alrighty guys, so as we close out this walkthrough of the 325 BHT, I want to show you something cool that we worked on, designed, and went live with in this floor plan, and that's some of the accent lighting that we have in the kitchen. I know, kind of like at home, when we're winding down at night, it's nice to be able to turn out the main lights, and you'll notice all your main lights on the Transcend, we're going to have these on a dimmer switch so you can dim these down, but what's awesome is if we just want to turn them out all together, we have accent lighting under all of our kitchen overheads, your kitchen, your hutch, even the coffee bar back there, and we're wiring that to a switch for you, so if you want to turn that off you can, but obviously we can turn that on, create a nice ambiance, and at the same time if we need to, we can dim down the lights as well. So some really cool features that'll be coming. We'll have some more of that, so stay tuned for what's to be new in Transcend. But I hope you enjoyed this brand new 325 BHT. We're excited to join the lineup. Great bunkhouse, a lot of different options as far as storage, theater seating, direct view entertainment, that double door entry with awning coverage, a lot to be excited about. Let's hear about what your thoughts are on it in the comments below, and also go to your local Grand Design dealer, check it out. We'd love to get you camping this summer. Thanks for tuning in today.